Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your Hivemapper Dashcam. What up guys, Matt6 here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to set up the Hivemapper Dashcam on the app as well as in the car. Now, we're not going to go through all of the individual details because what you can honestly do is just scan this QR code right here or click the link in the description and it will bring you up to this page where it shares with you everything you need to know with the video instructions and everything. Is actually quite easy to set this up. And then I'm going to walk you through a little bit of the app and stuff, how to actually set it up, and then we're going to go ahead and go on a little drive to test and see and make sure it's all working and whatnot, so that way you guys can see my experience with the Hivemapper Dashcam. Now keep in mind guys that this is only one of the models that does 10 frames per second. This specific model is not recommended to be used as an actual security dash cam. That would be the S model. So hopefully I'll be able to share with you guys that model in the future. So I'm really excited to basically be my own little Google car here with the Hivemapper Dashcam. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is show you how to set it up on the app real quick and then also set it up in the car. So before we dive into the app, I did want to let you guys know that if you're interested in buying your own Hivemapper Dashcam, then definitely use my code Matt6 to get 10% off your own Dashcam, guys. This works with this model or the S model. Let me know in the comments down below if you use my code, and thank you for supporting the channel by using my code. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and move on over to the app. So the first thing you want to do is download the app, and then you're going to want to connect your wallet. Now it's going to ask for you to connect your Phantom wallet. If you don't know how to set up a Phantom wallet yet, then definitely check out this video where I'll walk you through the process. If you already have a Phantom wallet, make sure you download it on your phone, as well as you have more than one wallet on the Phantom wallet. Make sure you're already logged into the correct wallet so you don't accidentally sync this to a different wallet than you meant to. If you run into an issue, I had to restart my phone in order to switch wallets on the Phantom app because I tried to connect it first, so that's something to consider. Anyways, let's continue on. So connect your wallet, and then it will bring you back to the Hivemapper app and it will say that you are connected. Next, you're going to need to connect your Dashcam Wi-Fi. In order to do this, you're going to have power on your Dashcam. So let's head on over to the car. Okay guys, now that we got it powered on, we're going to go ahead and connect it to the app real quick. So let's go ahead and open up and connect Dashcam Wi-Fi. After it finds it, go ahead and select it and then click save. Now it's going to upload the firmware in case it needs to be an update, and the lights should turn a purplish color. So now the app should be looking for a dash cam again and reconnect. And there you go, you can see that it's working and everything. You have a little preview up here, you can make bigger and stuff. You can see the side of my house there, and then there's this other option right here. You can click here and click buzz, and that will create like a little tweet idea for you later to be able to record and whatnot. We can go over that in a future video, but yeah, right now you can see it's just a wall. So right now you can angle it and whatnot. It does take a little while. You can see it is moving. So let me rotate it to me real quick so you can see my face. There I am. So you can see it's not very good for security on purpose. Let's go ahead and put it back. So you can see here that it is started, and if I rotate the camera, it should appear real quick. There we go. Now as I hit pause, you'll see that the bottom light actually turns red. So if the bottom light is red, it means it is not mapping. And then if you hit start, all the lights will turn green again and you'll be mapping again. So now you can see with my car turned on, all the lights are on. It is mapping and ready to go and ready to send the photos that it's gathering right now to the website, so that way people can take a look and make sure that it's good enough. And then you can see in this video right here where you can actually go and take a look right now to make sure that they are high quality photos being uploaded to the Hivemapper network. So one thing I want to test real quick is, will the Hivemapper Dashcam automatically turn off when I turn off my car? So we're going to go ahead and test that out right now. So the lights are still on, and I can still do my window though. You see the window go up and down. So let me open the door, shut it. I can't do my window anymore, but the lights are still on. So I guess you'll have to unplug it to turn it off. So that's kind of annoying, but it looks like if you unplug it and plug it back in, it will not turn back on until you turn your car on. So after maybe 30 seconds, just the two lights turned on and the bottom light was red, and then I went to the app and turned it on down here, and now it's mapping again. Now I know what you guys are thinking. You're asking yourselves, Matt, why did you tell us to bring a USB storage device that is USB-C compatible? Well, you're gonna have to go ahead and plug this into the side of your camera, and I'll tell you why here in a second. I can get that plugged in. It's not gonna fit, great, because of the power cord. But anyways, you're gonna need that because this is the only way to be able to actually see what your camera sees. What you saw in the app is only one or two pictures that it takes in order to help you view how good of a picture you're actually getting. So obviously you want to try to get as much as the road as you would like, rather than your hood of your car. Or if you would like to do a side-facing camera, which you are approved to do as well, you obviously want to get as much of everything you can see rather than like the sides of your windows and stuff. But if you want to actually view what is being captured, you're going to actually need a device like this. Okay guys, so we're back inside now, and I just shared with you how to set it up in the car as well as in the app. And I've actually spent 1 week using the Hivemapper Dashcam since the recording of that previous video of me setting it up and everything. So I just wanted to share with you guys my thoughts and everything. First, it's really kind of cool. You can actually see what you are mapping, and if you turn around and go the other direction, you can still map the other direction. You can also see that there was this little circle that for some reason I wanted to go around, so I mapped that, and I thought it was kind of cool. As I was driving around it, you could see the gray line going around it as well, so I thought that was kind of cool. And then you can also see in the app photos and stuff. In the very top, you can see how many photos have been taken on the dash cam, and then they are transferred over to your phone. And then when you get home and your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, it will automatically upload to quality control, which it will need to go through in order to be officially added to the map, which I talk about the quality control and stuff in this video, guys. That definitely help Hivemapper find really high quality maps by helping them with their quality control. Anyways, on the screen you can see that it takes a very long time for it to go to the next picture. So I was talking to you earlier about a USB-C device. So if you have one of those connected, you can get direct access to the pictures that your Hivemapper Dashcam takes. So you can see some examples right here. I'm driving up to a stoplight and then I come to a stop. So that's kind of cool that you can actually see it, but the only way that you can actually see your photos is with the USB-C, or you can go on to Hivemapper and pay some honey tokens in order to see it. Let me know if you would like a video about that in the comments down below, and I will show you the best as I can. So one thing to also keep in mind is when you're allowed to map. So you're allowed to map between 1 hour and 15 minutes after sunrise in your region through 1 hour and 15 minutes before sunset. And if you try to map outside these hours, it's going to be too dark, and the app will let you know as well. Anyways, guys, next, the big question is, how much did I actually earn? Now, I only did a little bit of driving around. I didn't go out of my way to do any driving or anything, and I don't drive a lot. So we're going to see how much I actually make. So how it works is whatever you map from Monday through Sunday, so 1 week, 7 days, then you will be paid the following Wednesday. So everything you map from Monday to Sunday grouped together, and then you'll be paid on the next Wednesday or early Thursday. This gives it time to process through quality control, as well as give you time to make sure all your pictures are uploaded. So let me show you how much honey tokens I actually made. So if we go to the reward section right here, you'll see that it says map coverage right here and here for 351, and then another one for 0.01. So since at the current rate, honey tokens are only worth about 1 or 2 cents, we're just going to round to 351. So that means that the honey tokens were worth 2 cents each, that this would be worth $7.02. Now do keep in mind that I was only hive mapping for about 4 days, as well as I am a YouTuber and I work from home, so I don't drive a lot. However, I am in Circleville, and at the time of recording, none of this city was mapped. So I mapped like a lot of it. I even went into alleyways, and it took about like 5 days to get through quality control to accept all my alleyways and everything that I've done. So it's great that I'm able to map alleyways, not just the big streets, and I'm earning a lot more since these streets have never been mapped. You'll earn more honey tokens if you remap things that are about 7 days old or older, but obviously you can still remap things that were just mapped the day before. You're just not going to be earning as much as you would if the road hasn't been mapped in a while. You may also notice there's some purple hexes on the map as well, and what these are places that have already been mapped. You can see the very colorful ones are the most newly refreshed portions of the map, whereas the less vibrant colors means go ahead and remap them. The darker the color, the more you'll be rewarded, and some roads are not even mapped at all, so definitely keep those in mind and try mapping those. So definitely guys, keep that in mind what your profession is. Do you drive a lot? Do you travel a lot? Are you driving the same roads a lot? Are you traveling different roads? Maybe if you're a serviceman, like you work for Geek Squad or something, and you drive to different people's houses, or a pizza man delivery driver, you're driving all over the place, different roads all the time. Or definitely a truck driver. Those are probably good professions to have with a Hivemapper Dashcam, but just because you don't have a great profession that travels a lot like my profession doesn't mean you can't use the Hivemapper Dashcam. If you guys would like to see more, because I think the real test is going to be how much does this make after 1 tank of gas in my 15-gallon car, that will tell a lot of the return on investment for the Hivemapper. Remember guys, this is passive income. You do not need to go driving down different alleyways and different streets unless you really want to, because this is going to be earning you rewards just by your normal driving every day. That's what I bought it for, so I'm not going to go out of my way often. However, I might veer off and go a different way home, the scenic route or something, if I want to, just because I want to see that I can get more mapping done for Hivemapper, as well as earning some rewards. Let me know what you guys think about that. My plan from here is to share with you guys how much I earn with honey tokens with the Hivemapper Dashcam on my monthly mining videos. So guys, I do a live stream once a month. We're going to talk about the Hivemapper. We'll talk about any questions you have with it, my experience with it, and most importantly, how much I've been earning with it once a month, as well as I'll be talking about my demo, and when my Neo finally arrives, we'll be talking about that as well. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions down below about Hivemapper, and I would love to answer your questions. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. And as always, guys, stay safe, trade safe, and drive safe, and God bless. Peace. So hopefully I'll be able to unbox the Model S number future. Yeah. So hopefully I'll be able to, so hopefully I'll